What if I told you the closest planet to the Sun is not the hottest, and that this tiny world hides ice in places where sunlight never reaches? Welcome to Mercury, the impossible planet. Welcome back, everyone. Just 57 million kilometers from the Sun, a world burns and freezes at the same time. On Mercury, daytime is hotter than molten lava, and nighttime is colder than the darkest corner of space. Here temperature swings from plus 427 degrees down to minus 173 degrees, a place where shadows are colder than Pluto, but sunlight can melt lead. Why? Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Heat comes and goes like a ghost. Look closer. Mercury's surface is carved by thousands of ancient scars, craters from cosmic collisions, cliffs stretching hundreds of kilometers, created when the entire planet shrank as it cooled. This is the Caloris Basin, a crater so huge it could swallow an entire continent. Beneath its rocky skin lies Mercury's biggest secret, a gigantic iron core that makes up 85% of the planet's radius. No planet in our solar system is built like this. And this iron heart still beats, giving Mercury a magnetic field no one expected. But the strangest surprise lies at its poles. In craters where sunlight never enters, scientists found something unbelievable: water ice. Ice on the planet closest to the Sun. This should not be possible. Mercury is the fastest traveler in our cosmic family. One Mercurian year is just 88 Earth days. The Sun rises slowly, stops, moves backward, and rises again. A sunrise seen nowhere else in the universe. It has no moons, no clouds, no air, just silence. Only two spacecraft have ever dared to visit this oven of extremes: Mariner 10 and Messenger. And their discoveries changed everything we know about rocky worlds. And soon, another traveler, Bepi Colombo, will reach Mercury to uncover even deeper secrets. The diameter of Mercury is approximately 4,880 kilometers. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is not just the smallest planet. It is a survivor, a mystery, a world of contradictions. A planet that burns, freezes, shrinks, raises, and still holds secret older than the Sun itself. This is Mercury, the planet that shouldn't exist. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed the cinematic journey, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more space documentaries every week.